What have I done? We're rolling.
This is what it's all about.
Okay, say what we did.
We went to see Gloriana. And it was amazing.
First, we're eating our post-concert food. Mighty Taco.
So good. We saw opening act was JB Aaron.
He's very cute.
We never heard of him, but he was really good looking and he was really good. He played a lot of good songs. Pardon. And then the moment.
And then
They appeared on stage and it was beautiful and they were amazing. They sounded fantastic.
who was hot and who was good looking? Tom
Gossin.
Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen.
It's not even
I can't.
correct.
We had so many moments on stage. I think we made a baby with our eyes. Seriously. I can't.
Okay, so then I'm doing. So then, well, first of all, we got pics at the end. They threw us pics. They're orange and cute.
Wait, I'll show you.
Oh, show me. Kara's gonna get one out.
Hold on.
Here's the pic.
Gloriana.
Gloriana.
It has someone's name on the back. I'm guessing it's
Some sort of sign. It's
Sexy
probably the
man.
maker of the pic.
oh.
Anyway, so I got the same pic and I wanted the set list, but they wouldn't give it to me.
Boo.
Boo. But then they were doing a signing, so Kara bought a picture. This is the picture. She got signed. I had my ticket signed. And first of all, Rachel said, because we were front row center, Rachel said, oh, I love your necklace. It looked so good from on stage and it was just really pretty. So I was like, ah. And then Mike, who is the blonde one with the spiky hair, he said, oh, it's really nice to meet you. Like, you guys were having so much fun. Then he asked us if we were best friends.
Obviously.
Tom asked us where we were from, because they're from Utica, which is close to here. Mike asked me if we were Facebook friends.
Come on.
And
obviously.
What else?
Tom said I was so enthusiastic
Oh,
and
yeah.
I literally almost cried shaking his hand. He was like a little scared of me, I think. And then, OMG, backtrack before the show, tweeted me.
Oh, yeah.
Mind blown.
Tweeted by Gloriana.
Tweeted me.
And you talked about it.
And I talked about it and I asked who tweeted me and it was Mike. He remembered exactly what he said. It was fantastic.
And that's it. Next concert is
Lady Antebellum.
June 3rd.
June 2nd.
No.
June
June
2nd.
2nd, but we're staying till June 3rd because
June 2nd in Pittsburgh. We will see you there.
But we won't be having Mighty Taco.
Oh, sad.
Okay, have a good day.